Oh, really nice day. I mean, I know it started out cold, but just gorgeous. I love that dry, crisp air.
Yeah, it's really quite nice. It's refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
It gets a little bit cooler when the sun sets, though, and that northwest wind comes in off the Gulf of Mexico, but I'm not complaining. I enjoyed it today, and I'm sure a lot of people will enjoy tomorrow's weather even better. If you like a warmer temperatures, we'll get them. After a chilly start this morning, temperatures were in the low 40s, which is unseasonably cold, over 12 degrees below average in most cases, but boy, things are looking better and better. As we approach the weekend, spectacular beach weather, so look out. It's going to be packed on the area beaches. For St. Patrick's Day, it looks good too. We'll get to that in just a minute. Fire weather warning. You know, we had a fire earlier today in Sarasota County, and the fires that do develop, if they do, will spread rather rapidly because of the low humidity that's been around and that little bit of a breeze. So the areas in red that you see, that is the area that the relative humidity is below 35% there. For us in Manatee and Sarasota counties, not quite there. Our wind flow will be turning more easterly on Friday, and when that happens, we get rid of that northerly component. We have a tendency to warm up here. So highs tomorrow will be back into the low to mid 70s. Now, it will switch around to the northwest with a little sea breeze developing in the afternoon, but that'll keep things a bit cooler right near the coast. For Saturday, a definite east wind, and that means temperatures in the mid to upper 70s both on Saturday and Sunday with that sea breeze developing in the afternoon. So inland areas will be a little bit warmer, coastal locations just a little bit cooler, but still all in all nice. 65 on the temperature, clear skies, the dew point way down there. 37 degrees. We have a west wind at 13, the pressure 30-11. That is high. That continues to rise. The high today was only 69, getting close to the 70s. 89, the record set in 2012. Look at the low this morning, 42 degrees, 57 is our normal. Our low temperatures tonight will be into the mid 40s in most areas. We'll look for upper 40s to near 50 degrees near area beaches. Temperatures close to freezing in Tallahassee. Tomorrow's low temperatures to start things off will be in the 40s, but by 9 a.m. we will be back into the mid 50s in most areas, and then we'll warm up into the mid to lower 70s, I think, for highs. So back in the 70s after about 5 days. Below that into the 60s for highs. A day planner for Friday calling for a chilly start but a nice finish. Low temperatures will be in the 40s, but highs will be in the low to mid 70s under sunny skies on Friday. A nice way to wrap up the week. And as we approach the weekend, high pressure continues to slip to the east of our state, and that will hold this weather that you see here off as a winter storm starts to develop over Nebraska into Iowa and slips off to the east. Eventually, a little piece of energy will move up the northeast. 40 now in Boston, 38 in Portland, 32 in Toronto now, Detroit at 38. A bit warmer in Omaha and in Wichita, Kansas, 77 degrees there, a big warm up. Same in Dallas and Houston at 70. Tomorrow's high temperatures will be in the 30s and 40s from the upper Mississippi Valley across the northeast United States into the 50s and 60s from Tennessee through Kansas and also into Oklahoma. 58 the expected high into Denver. Well, that cold air that you see here kind of stays to the north through Monday and Tuesday. You'll notice so it slips down a little bit on into Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll get a little bit cooler here as we head into the latter half of the work week next week. Until then, expect a gradual warming trend. For boaters, it gets better. Things will be much improved as opposed to the past few days. Seas running less than 2 feet with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. Winds out of the east turning to the northwest. Later on in the day, and the water temperature now at 68. Tonight, mostly fair, cool once again, mid 40s for low temperatures, and the extended forecast shapes up like this. We will see a warmer temperature still on St. Patrick's Day, 76, 79, Sunday and Monday. A chance for showers. The first day of spring arrives officially just after noon on Tuesday. Rain chance at 40% only, and then 20% chance for Wednesday and Thursday. Notice, though, slightly cooler by late next week. We'll be right back after this.